Today I'm drinking my Wendy's strawberry lemonade. It's really good. It's like really strawberry-y and lemonade-y. Hey guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. I'm sorry, I'll calm down. Today I'm showing you some adorable room decor DIY ideas. Making room decor is one of my very favorite things to do in the whole world. I just love it. I kind of tried to make these a little more springy so you can bring some happiness and the springtime into your room. I also show you guys how to make your own DIY letterboard, which I think is super exciting. I think these started becoming a trend a while ago, but I still see them all over the place, all over Instagram, all the time. So I decided to be super trendy and make my own. I honestly did not think it was gonna work, not gonna lie, but look at it, it's right back there right now, and it totally worked. Oh, also I want to address the quote that's on there. I know the original quote from Cinderella is "have courage and be kind." I just like to write it that way instead because I just like it better like that. Just wanted to address that right now before y'all correct me in the comments. I know I'm wrong. Okie dokie, artichokey, let's dance, I guess. Without further ado, let's get started with the DIYs. The first DIY that I'm going to be showing you guys is kind of a different version of those super trendy hanging flower walls that I've been seeing all over Pinterest lately. But basically all you're going to do is just go out and get some basic glass vases. Oh my gosh, please ignore my kind of sick voice. I am slowly dying. But anyway, I went to the dollar store and got these ones, so obviously it was super cheap. And I also got some twine and then just wrapped that a bunch around the top of the vase. And I used some hot glue to kind of keep the twine in place just so I knew the knot and everything was secure. And once you have done that with all of your jars, you are ready to add in some flowers. I just hung my vases up on some tacks on my wall, which I know is pretty tacky. Get the joke? That was really lame. But anyway, I decided to use real flowers in my vases just because I wanted my room to feel really springy, but trust me, it looks just as pretty with fake flowers. And you're finished. This flower wall I think brings in the perfect touch of spring to my room. You guys, I seriously don't think you understand how excited I am about this DIY letterboard. Like, it's literally the coolest thing ever. So the first step to making your very own letterboard is taking a picture frame and just using the cardboard backing out of it. And then you're going to want to measure your dowels and cut them down to size, which I did previously before I started filming. And then what I'm doing here is just taking each of my dowels and hot gluing them down to the cardboard backing with just a little dot of hot glue on each side. And something you really want to pay attention to while you're doing this step is making sure that there's enough space between each of the dowels for your letters to fit later on. It doesn't need to be a ton of space, but just a little tiny bit. And next you're going to want to take your felt, and this part can get kind of tricky and confusing, but basically all I'm doing is putting a strip of hot glue along each dowel and smoothing my felt over it, and I'm taking this gift card and pressing that in between the dowels, if that made any sense at all. This can be a little difficult and hard to get the hang of at first, but once you get further along and you just keep going, it does get easier. But once you've reached the end of your felt, you're just going to cut off any excess on the top or the bottom or the sides, and then you're just going to pop that right back into your picture frame. And now you have your very own letterboard, and these are seriously so much fun. And by the way, I ordered my letters off of Amazon in case you were wondering. This is probably one of my favorite DIYs that I've ever made in my entire life because it's so cute and so much fun. Why do I have to be so humble when the rest of the world doesn't care about a thing? Up next, we have a super useful and cute sunglasses display, which is perfect for the upcoming warmer months. But all I'm doing is just taking this frame that I got from the dollar store and painted white, and I'm just taking some string and hot gluing that across the frame. And this is probably literally the easiest DIY ever to exist ever. But I did run into one problem when I was making this, and that was that my frame wasn't long enough to hold 2 rows of sunglasses. So I did end up going out and buying a longer frame, but I just repeated the same process that I already showed you, and I think it turned out super cute. And the last DIY I have for you guys is another really easy one. I'm all about the easy DIYs, but all you're going to do for this one is just take some soil and pour it into a cute bowl, and then just plant whatever plants you want to plant into it. And I just said plant so many times. But that's really all you have to do to make this adorable succulent garden. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. You have now made it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the DIYs I put together and just watching the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did like it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment down below which DIY was your favorite. I'm gonna have to go for, I'd probably say the hanging flower vase things or the letterboard. I just have so much fun with the letterboard. And also let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me in the spring and summertime. Also, you should definitely check out my Instagram. I haven't really promoted it in a while. In like my past 10 videos, I forget to talk about it. But if you didn't know, I have an Instagram, so go check it out. Go follow me. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!